guys! This is Frhea. Welcome back to my channel. So now, mag-check ako sa phone ko. Ngayon, may sasabihin ako sa inyo yung app na gusto ko. Ito yung Joy Planet. Yung Joy Planet. Yun siya. So, everyday na mag-visit ka sa Joy Planet, may daily check event siya. May marireceive ka na gifts. Kukolect mo siya everyday. Sayang pag di mo siya kinulit. So, kapag nagko-collect ka, dito sa mga messages, tapos, dito kukunin mo lang, ayan, yung mga marireceive ka na gift. Maganda tong Joy Planet kasi habang patagal ng patagal yung nilalaro mo, pahirap ng pahirap, tapos may makokollect ka na parang mga statue, gano'n, yung mga famous na attraction sa buong mundo. Like, kunyari, nandito na ako sa beautiful Harbor City. Christ the Redeemer na ako. Stage 53 na ako. May mga quest din dito na mga dapat mong sundin para makakollect ka ng mga keys and makapag-open ka ng another gift. Yun. Tapos, syempre ito, tulad nito now. Meron akong sa planet ko, meron akong quest na try upgrading what Aaron. So, pag in-upgrade mo siya, ayan, magko-collect ka rin tayo ng gift. Magko-collect mo siya. Ito yung upgrade. Ayan. Sa bawat mga attraction sa planet mo, may mga magko-collect kang coins. So, ito na yung mga attractions. Medyo marami na. Medyo marami na yung mga benefit. Ayan. Kaya, go download Joy Planet para lahat tayo masaya. Like nyo rin yung Facebook nila, Joy Planet C. And then, pag gina-download nyo pala, bibigyan ko kayo ng coupon. Gagawin ko ngayon yung uso na makeup tutorial na Itriedfollowing like Jacqueline Hill. So, ang bala ko gayahin is yung kay Germar Nude Makeup.
So first for primer, I am using this NYX Angel Veil and putting it on the areas where I need it.
Ito yung primer ko.
For foundation, I am using this L'Oreal True Match in the shade N3. Then I'm using a damp sponge to blend.
Kulay sa mga...
To conceal my under eyes and other parts of my face, I'm just using this Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline. To set the foundation and the concealer, I'm just using this Clear Smooth All-in-One Cake Powder from Maybelline. For brows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Careline, and guys, this is surprisingly good, especially for the price. It's not too creamy, not too waxy. It comes in two shades. I'm using the shade Taupe. It has a gray undertone. Okay siya for the color of my hair, and also meron siyang spoolie to blend. To prime my eyelids, I'm using this Pro Longwear Paint Pot from MAC in the shade Soft Ochre. Using the contour shade from this contouring palette from BLK, I'm putting it slightly above my crease. Then for the middle of my eyelids, I'm using the highlighting color. I also sprayed some MAC Fix Plus dun sa brush ko para mas pigmented yung shade. So, ito na yung fun part, guys. I'm using the Careline liquid lipstick in the shade Dark Matter, which is really a beautiful violet. And I used that to line my eyelids. Sobrang cute nito, guys. I realized na medyo malayo ako sa inyo, so hindi nyo makita yung pop of color. So, I'm gonna be inserting some stories from my Instagram para mas makita nyo yung pagka-purple niya. To line my under eyes, I'm using this violet retractable eye pencil from Jordana. Ito, meron siyang konting sheen ng glitters. Then I'm just curling my lashes, and then I'm gonna be using the Rocket Volume Mascara from Maybelline. To contour and bronze my face, I'm using this Maybelline B-Face Duo Powder. Highlight my face, I'm using the same BLK contouring palette. For my blush, I'm using this Essence Satin Touch Blush in Satin Love. We're done with the look, but I also tried pairing the eye makeup with my current favorite nude lipstick from Sleek. This one is Cinnamon Sugar. If you feel like the Careline Dark Matter is very bold for you, you guys could check this out.
So yeah guys, that's it for today's look. This is like what I said from the